In this lesson, we will be looking at the strategy for multiplying by 2. Or, in other words, we're going to let 2 be the boss. The strategy for multiplying by 2 is to double the other factor. So remember, we talk about if you're letting 2 be the boss, that means he tells the other factor what to do. When you multiply by 2, think about creating 2 groups. So you'll have one group, and then you'll have a second group that is the same amount. And the number in that group is going to be the other factor. Think about doubles in dominoes. You know that they're doubles if both sides have the same number of dots, the same amount. So in this case, this domino shows 2 groups of 6. So here's one group of 6, and here's the second group of 6. And if I were to write that out as a multiplication fact, I would have 2 times 6, and the total number of dots is 12. So 2 times 6 equals 12. So what I did is I took the other factor, 6, and I doubled it. 6 plus 6, which gave me 12. This goes right back to what you learned in kindergarten and first grade about doubles. When you double something, you add it to itself. When you multiply by 2, or let 2 be the boss, you take the other factor and double it. So here we have 4 times 2. We took the 4 and we doubled it. Make 4 plus 4, which we know equals 8. So 4 times 2 equals 8. Here are a few that we will look at together. So the first one is 3 times 2. Since 2 is the boss, I'm going to take the 3 and double it. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 3 times 2 equals 6. The next one says 2 times 9. If 2 is the boss, I take 9, the other factor, and double it. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So 2 times 9 is 18. Here I have 2 times 2, which I could let either 2 be the boss, but I take the other factor, which is also a 2, and double it. 2 plus 2 is 4, so 2 times 2 equals 4. 7 times 2. Take the other factor and double it. 7 plus 7 is 14, so 7 times 2 is 14. Last, 2 times 8. 8 is the other factor. I double the 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 2 times 8 equals 16. If you're multiplying by 2, the strategy is to double the other factor.